Okay. Um, so I did last time I demoed switching a container from this sort of like stack type column flow to a grid, and I have just a few more things to show about that. So this is on Playground, and sorry, it's on production as well. So you can switch your container to grid. As you can see, it kind of changes it. For now, it's just like sort of dumbly um, filling up half and half of each item you have in there, so then you can rearrange. I think I showed this before. And you can move stuff in. It'll always go to the bottom, so that's something to note. And interestingly, if I hadn't readjusted that, you might have seen something. Another thing to be aware of is it always goes to the bottom, and you have, since this whole thing is also a grid, you have explicit dimensions on your container, and then when things go in that expand above those dimensions, it'll scroll. So that's something to note. We were still probably thinking about ways to make it easier to know that you've got something, like try to keep things within the scrollable range, but that is something to be aware of currently. So now you can also go back to these flows, column and row. Something I do want to make a plug for this, and if you'll see why it's kind of helpful. So if you want something that fills the space, you're gonna want one of these. That's really hard to, perhaps impossible to get done with this kind of sort of explicit grid layout. So if I did this and I got it like so perfectly aligned, but then I was like, oh, actually I want this to be way bigger. It's, it doesn't change. Like I already was explicit about where I wanted everything, but I secretly wanted this to grow. If I wanted that, I needed to select this guy, and it'll do that. So with Stack, you don't have the power to drag and drop yet, although we are gonna eventually, hopefully, allow resizing with drag and drop. Currently, it's done via these little height and width things, which Filter doesn't currently have. It will have eventually, but the rest of them all have it. If it's in a stack type, like column or row, you will see the items will have that. See if I can think of anything else to show about that. That's probably it for now. Yeah, probably come back with more later.